Okay, today we're going to show you the coil gun using this type of coil that's made out of just regular wooden wire coil. Just one strand of it. And I coiled it around there several times. Probably didn't need to do it that many times. And we'll launch this needle right here that'll shoot out of it pretty well, of the coil gun. Here's what the schematic looks like. There's a bridge rectifier there that led the AC signal from the outlet to DC, so it can charge the capacitor bank up. Here's our capacitor bank, and there's the switch that calls the trigger switch that turns on and off the trigger that triggers the coil gun. First, what you do is let charge, and you unhook the power from the charger. Then you flip the trigger switch, and it runs off the capacitor power. The coil does. Yeah, it's a pretty neat circuit. And you use bulbs to limit the current so it don't blow a fuse, and also doesn't break the bridge rectifier. That's about it. Now let's launch this, do a test of it. I'm gonna put this needle in. This needle, I don't know what needle, what type of needle it is. I just found it. I'm just gonna launch it. That's pretty best if I put that yellow ball all the way in there with the yellow balls inside it too. It launches better then. Anyway, let's give it a go. I have it switched off. Now I'm gonna turn it on to charge. In 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Off. Move it over so you can see it better. I should do that so you can get a better view of the thing there. Flick it. See how it shooted out? And it went out of it pretty well. Went out of it, shooted it pretty well. Let's do that one more time. I'm going to put it back in the coil, have it flicked off, so it's, and you should take it outside. The thing there could spark sometimes. It does spark once in a while. It does spark because it draws a lot of current. That's why I said to use a house outlet switch, because it will last longer. It's a stronger switch, like a house light switch. Okay, it's off. Now I'm going to turn the power back on. This charge capacitors back up. What happens is when you flick that switch, a burst of energy goes through it, and that's what causes it to shoot that thing out. A burst of energy and high voltage at the same time. So here goes, we're going to charge again. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. 10 seconds. And we're going to point it there. And see, it launched it. It did pretty well. And that's how it works. Hope you build it, and I hope you be safe with it. This thing could shock you because it uses high voltage in it. And that's what it requires to have in order to make the coil gun work. It has to have high voltage. And you got capacitors on it. Make sure that you discharge it when it's off. When you have the outlet unhooked or switched off from the outlet, from the mains power. Just run off the capacitor power. That's what you should run it off of. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you